Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the Project Delta build and GPS module compatibility so you don't waste time. Once confirmed, collect the GPS receiver, antenna, a 3V regulator, connecting wires and basic tools. This minimizes stops. You'll back up saves and jot down your current in-game coordinates to restore state if needed. Make sure to power the device from a stable source while you proceed. This prevents corrupted flashes and allows you to move to firmware setup without interruptions. You'll flash the GPS firmware now, using the DFU or serial bootloader appropriate for your board. That gives feature parity and bug fixes. Once flashed, wire TX to RX and RX to TX, plus power and ground. Insulate joints and secure the antenna with the SMA connector to avoid signal loss. Then set the baud rate and protocol to NME or UBX and choose a polling rate that balances accuracy and CPU load. This tuning reduces drift and CPU contention in-game. You finish by integrating the GPS driver into Project Delta and enabling the GPS subsystem in settings so the game can read coordinates. Once enabled, calibrate position and test for a satellite fix outdoors or using a simulated signal to confirm stability. This ensures accurate in-game positioning. If you don't get a fix, first check power and swap TX/RX. Then inspect antenna placement and review serial logs. This single troubleshooting step usually reveals wiring or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.